Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change folder color in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the home page and find any folder here. I find here 3 folders: Samsung, mine, then Mingi. Then here I would like to change color for mine, and here just click on this dot, and here you can get color. Okay, you can apply other color from the available options, or you can select here and choose your own color. Here I would like to choose this color and click on done. Yes, this color has been now applied. If you would like to change to other color, yes, you can do it. I would like to set the screen color. Yes, select the color and go back, it will be changed. So in this way you can easily fix any color to the folder available in your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.